So we made it to Camping Merg, down on the Walensee lake. It's an absolutely amazingly beautiful spot. We're really lucky. I mean, look at that for a view. Apparently those mountains go to about 2,400 meters. Unbelievable. There's a really cool little diving board there, so gonna go for a swim. Maybe we'll get some stand-up paddleboards or canoe or something. Good morning. It's about 6:30 and I'm just up for sunrise. Gonna go for a little swim. Look at this. Winner! So today we're having a day off and we're up here in Flummersberg and there's a mountain bike downhill competition. So cool. Here comes one now. Woo! How's us feeding the mooks? How do you know if it's a girl or a boy? Oh. We're leaving the big mountains behind now and we're heading towards Lake Zurich. Just went up a huge hill and then an epic downhill into Zurich Lake. And this is going to be our lunch spot today. The colour of that water.
Matt's enjoying a nice sunshine lunchtime swim.
Fischers Fritz campsite in Zurich. It's actually Zurich right over there. Few things I really love in life: a brand new rear tyre, tread for days, and a ridiculous selection of the most beautiful tomatoes. Look at these! I mean, what is that? That's like a pear shape. It's our first day in Zurich. We're having a nice day off and fixing up the bike, got a new tyre, get some tomatoes. What more do you want in life? We're going to go and explore. Then we're going to meet Debbie, who I haven't seen for about 10 years, and see what the city's all about. Female-only swimming bath in the middle of the city. Sun's out, tits out. This is so cool. This is one of the dams in the city centre in Zurich, and people are just swimming, sunbathing. You know, so cool. all the way down the river. There's just people swimming in the river here in Zurich. So I've got to go in.
3, 2, 1. Go! Matt's just fitting his new tyre.
Trying
Trying to fit his new tyre. For his back wheel.
Trying to get this bit of the rim. These new Marathon Schwalbe tyres, it's just so hard.
But worth it, because they're bulletproof.
Yes!
It's so easy, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh. Georgie's in the vlog! Georgie's just arrived. Hello Heather.
Hello Matthew.
Oh, hello George.
Hello!
We've just taken a month to cycle. She's just walked here from Zurich and from Chamonix. We're having that for dinner. This is basically, George, how a lot of the vlogs start. I chat shit and then I make them silent and put music over the top of it. This is our 3 franc wine. This is London gluten-free Instagrammer. Live in action here in Zurich. Just taking a picture of, oh yeah, food. It's a game about who can get the most willies. Peach Delight. Veneto Merlot. Fontanero. So we're just finishing the first section of our trip and we're joined by Georgie! There she is. We're just going to go and have a swim in the river and then we're going to go to Fallenden and relax by the lake with the family for 5 nights. Halfway, well, third of the way pit stop and then carry on all the way to Istanbul. Just got to the most amazing Swiss house. Look at this. Gonna be staying here for 4 nights. Very, very well earned rest, I think. Now we've done the Rhine, and next week gonna be continuing down the Danube. Then we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna try and get down to Istanbul somehow. Staying here for Harriet's dad Simon's 60th birthday, so it's a real treat. Such a beautiful house. We have some good food, lots of nice wine, and just sleep in a bed and just really rest up. And as you can see here, we've got a beautiful lake to go swimming in. Very special barbecue going on tonight. Very special barbecue. Let's look at this. This is an SB special. Oh. Red wine open. It's going to be the secret tonight. What do we have here? Butterfly chicken breast. Got it. The lake has been just amazing. This has been our view. Every day waking up to that is just incredible. So day 40, we're heading north back to Germany up to Schaffhausen on the Swiss side. Spend the rest of our little Swiss francs and have a nice coffee. Cross over the border to Germany and we'll go to the Danube. The Rhine was very, very leisurely, I suppose you could say. It was pretty easy to follow all the way to Switzerland. No real dramas, no real hills, a few here and there. But very excited to start the next leg of our journey. We just got to the Swiss border in Rheinau and Haz is just in there spending the last of our Swiss francs. Oh my god, we've been climbing for at least 3k now, just up, up, up. Pretty much from, oh my god, my legs are wobbly. Just been climbing for about, how many hours? Probably 2 hours.
All of the hours.
All of the hours.
Every
And
hour of the day.
we are literally going downhill all the way to the campsite and it's a dream. Oh, free will. We are shattered, absolutely shattered. And we just got to this campsite in Germany. And look how empty it is. Oh, it's such a dream. All we want is a really quiet spot for tonight. And apparently there's a lake just over there as well. And the showers are free, toilets are free. Obviously toilets are free. And the ice creams are about €1.50 instead of like £18 in Switzerland. And relax. Finished.